बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज हम एजे के पीएससी हेडमास्टर पोस्ट के पास पेपर 2019 के पेडागोजी पोर्शन के पेज नंबर 2 को सॉल्व करेंगे। इससे पहले हम पेज नंबर 1 सॉल्व कर चुके हैं। तो पेज नंबर 2 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 है, द बेसिक सोर्स ऑफ एजुकेशनल ऑब्जेक्टिव इज ए ह्यूमन एक्सपीरियंस। 16, the best education definition is D, growth resulting from experience. 17, educare means A, to draw out. 18, education derived from Latin word B, educare. 19, expected life outcomes from education are referred B, evaluation. 20, every system of education system is based on A, ideology of nation. 21, planning, organizing, directing or the A, functions of management. 22, motivation is referred to related to C, leading. 23, supervision should be primarily constructive and creative. 24, school budget includes C, both A and B, development expenditure, non-development expenditure. 25, according to John Dewey, educational process has two sides, D, psychological and sociological. 26, the data which have already been collected by someone are called A, secondary data. 27, classifying students in a statistics course by their gender is an example of what scale of measurement? A, nominal. 28, curriculum mean D, overall activities of an institution. डियर व्यूज़, मज़ीद ऐसी वीडियो देखने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन को भी ऑन कर लें। थैंक यू वेरी मच।